Connect the 3/4 inch tubing from the Oceanus 1 to the first grow site on your first flood line of grow sites. Then repeat this process to each of the grow sites that start your flood lines. Now take the pre-cut 3/4 inch 2-foot tubing pieces and complete your floodline layout. Move the black easy pull caps to the end of the flood lines when complete. Snap the 360-degree mesh buckets into each of the grow sites. Fill each grow site 2 inches from the top of the 360-degree mesh insert with your preferred growing medium. When transplanting, place the top of the transplant cube approximately 2 inches under the surface of the grow medium to help starts avoid floating when you begin to fill the grow sites. If possible, fill the system with warm water after initial grow site setup and reposition sites. This will take the memory